Welcome to Parker's Playhouse. Today we will be making slime.
Ooh. So what have we got, Parker?
We got some Nickelodeon slime and a front. So it comes with some types of slime. It comes with glitter. It comes with some other stuff.
Yep, it's got all the stuff to make the slime mixer.
Everything. See all that stuff to make with.
You can make unicorn slime, crunchy slime,
Yeah.
galaxy slime,
Yeah.
glitter rainbow slime. What? Let's open it up. What do you think?
Ooh. Oh my gosh, I can. Oh, we have to put it together.
Okay, so let's get these parts out and see
Start putting this together.
what we're supposed to do to put it together. There's the instructions.
Ooh, stir. Stir. Let's open this up.
Ooh, the glitter.
Oh, you have to open this up.
Okay, so here
Let's open it
is the
up.
little stir.
Put that there. Like this. Put this here.
And let's see.
Ooh.
Oh, there's more parts. I'll just get everything out. So we've got the clear slime glue. What is this, Parker? The slime activator.
Oh yeah, activator. So the activator.
And some more slime activator.
Ooh, that's so much activator.
Okay, and we've got
More.
white slime glue and more white slime glue.
So
Anything
this
else?
is glue.
Oh, these are stickers.
Ooh,
Oh.
for slime.
For the slime, when we're done with the slime. Perfect. Now, what are these little things for? Are we going to be eating it?
Eating the slime?
Mm.
Wait a second.
Let's see.
Oh, it's the stir. Oh,
Let's see. I understand. It's to stir. We're not eating it. Just kidding. So,
Get that out.
oh, so these are all the glitters. So I wonder if this is how we make the galaxy slime? What do you think?
No.
I don't either. Let's see.
The beads.
So it looks like we can put the beads.
I have glitter on my hand.
It's okay. I think we're gonna get glitter everywhere. Yeah, probably.
All right. How are we gonna start making the slime? Or what?
Oh, well, I would hope so.
How do we?
I think that's what everyone's waiting for.
How do we make it?
Well, okay, so let's see. Well, I guess
Oh,
we should
glue.
decide what kind are we gonna make. What do you think?
I think we should make. I think we should make gold
Okay.
and whatever. I'm gonna make something I want, and you can make whatever you want.
Okay, cool.
So wait. So
Okay, so-
you put the glue in here,
So yeah, you gotta take that little crank top thingy off.
and then get some glue.
And then
Take this.
measure 15.
What's
Look, you
15?
gotta use this.
Oh.
15 milliliters of the glue. It might have a cap on it, so
Oh yeah.
so
Let me see.
just
I do. I see it. I see some.
okay.
Woo!
Whoopsies! That's what these things are for, to get it out of the cup.
Yeah. No. Well, you can pour it.
Okay.
Pour
That's
it.
my eating out here. Oh,
Yeah,
she
nice.
wants to be in on the slime. I bet she's gonna try to eat it.
So 15.
So all the way, yep, to the 1 and the 5, 15. So that's how we do. It's the white glue. So if we're using white glue, it looks like that'll make neon, scented, crunchy, or the
Is that
confetti. So if we hold it up, then yep, it's at the 15. So you go ahead and you just dump it in there. next we're gonna need some
not going
room
in.
temperature water.
Some temperature water, where is it?
I will get some room temperature water. So that's what you use this for. You're gonna scrape that cup out and try to get all of the glue that you can down into the little mixing cup.
And then you stir it?
We gotta get all the ingredients in there first.
Where is the hot boil? Where's the water?
I think Daddy's gonna get the water for us.
Okay.
Yep, it says scrape down the walls of the measuring cup to get out as much glue as possible. So we don't want to lose any of this glue. We want to get all of it out. So we're gonna
look at that.
scrape, scrape, scrape.
Look at that.
Whoa. Okay. Wow. It's already getting everywhere. Oh, nice. Okay, so which one do we want to do? The neon glow in the dark, the scented
Glow in the dark.
glow in the dark, of course. All right, so
We were wanting to.
where is the glow in the dark? I think that's this little guy.
It's glittery.
What exactly is that, Parker?
What?
That thing.
The
Oh,
stirring?
that's the stirring thing. What do you think? Is this the glow in the dark thing or is this just glitter? I don't think it glows in the dark. Which one is it? Does this say glow in the dark? This one? Nope. How about this one? No?
It has to say, no, it's not activator. It's gotta be glue.
Were you gonna tell me that this was hanging out of my hair?
No, I didn't see it.
The glue.
Daddy.
Is anyone
get
gonna
hot
tell me
water.
that was hanging out of
Get
my
hot
hair?
water.
Okay.
Oh, we got the hot water.
We got the water. We got the water. Okay,
It's
so
hot.
we needed. This was hanging out of Mommy's hair. How did you not see that?
I did not.
Okay.
Because I can look in your hair.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Just pour it in.
Okay, so I think it said 30 milliliters,
Which is the whole thing.
which is like that much.
Oh,
Okay.
and now you just use.
And then
Oh, you take the activator.
we need to add the neon glow color to the mixer.
This.
I don't really know. It doesn't tell me which one is
What?
neon.
Is it this? Is it?
No, that's the activator.
It's not activated. What does it look like? Oh, it's glitter.
Maybe? Question mark? I don't know. Nothing says glow in the dark, so I think, I wonder if it's this. Does that look like it? No. Does this one look like it? Let's just put it in the dark and see if it glows.
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay. Well, maybe this is it then.
You put
So
it.
if you could open that up and then just go ahead and dump it in there.
All of it.
Sure. Why not?
Oh man. But you wouldn't have any more of it.
You just use a little half of it.
Oh, I think I do. I got
Is that how much you want?
Yep.
So now you put this back on.
Oh yeah! Time for the ultimate stirring.
And mix. Yep.
Mix
Mix it, mix it, mix it. Okay.
Stop.
Now it does say that we need to slowly add some of that activator
Yep.
solution.
Where is it?
So we,
Which one? This one?
well, just yeah,
Where's-
that's it. So
Where's the? Oh,
the
there's
little
it.
cup is right here. So first we're gonna start with just 5 milliliters.
Why is everything like this? 5
Kind
milliliters?
of made a mess.
What's 5
Where should we put all of
milliliters?
these?
What? Is it 15?
5, just 5.
Oh.
Just a little Okay. So go ahead and put that in. And then let's put the cap on.
Can we put more?
No, I don't think so. At least that's what the directions say. So let's go ahead and put that on and twist it up again.
Then it'll turn it into slime. Oh! I think it's turning into slime already.
Is it? Yep, keep cranking it. It looks like it's turning into slime.
I think it's turning into white slime.
I hope we did this right. I wonder how long we have to crank it. We could be here all night.
Let's check.
Ew.
It's slime.
It is?
Go look.
So.
Ew. Oh, look at that slime.
Oh, here, put it
get
back
off.
in there. Let's
Get
see
off.
if, should we try to mix it a little more?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not that big. It's not big.
Okay. So let's just keep mixing it maybe and
Yeah.
see if,
Probably we added too much. Mommy, I'm trying to put the slime in there.
whoa. Okay.
It fell in there. Get in there. Get in there.
It's stuck. Whoa. All right, let's mix it.
We need to mix it more.
See what happens. What you think?
We start stirring a little bit more.
Okay, I'll stir it a little more for you. What is that?
Slime.
Ew! It looks like you just put a booger on me. Gross, Parker.
You have to wear that the whole entire vlog.
No way.
Yes way.
Okay, now what?
I think you take it out. Wait, let's take this thing out. It's my slime, so I take it out.
I think it's ready. Maybe it needs a little more activated.
Yes.
Let's try a little more activated.
I told you. Hey, wait, is it active? Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's just try a little more. Okay, try mixing it in. We need some slime help. Can any of you help us in the comments?
I think I'm gonna get it.
Now it just looks bubbly. It's like a slimy bubble bath.
Try to open this thing up. See what happens.
Okay.
Ugh.
I guess we could put it in...
Oh, you put it in a cup.
yeah, one of those little... Oh,
Ew.
whoa.
Ooh.
One of these little cups.
Yeah. Ew. Oh, probably all the slime is like little.
Is that why it came with little cups? It's possible.
Well, I wonder what slime we're gonna make next.
Whoa, it's like really...
Not sticky.
yeah, it's really slimy. So,
Yes, slime.
which it is slime, so I guess slimy slime makes sense.
Put it in
It's
there.
not too bad. What do
Yeah,
you think?
it's really cool.
It's actually not bad. And it looks like it would go in the dark. I don't know. It's still light outside, but we'll have to try it tonight and see. What you think?
Okay. Oh, we should glitter it. Which glitter?
Well, let's just make another one. You want to try the... We could do the crunchy slime.
Oh, crunchy. Crunchy.
Confetti slime.
Crunchy.
Crunchy. So that would be these little crunchy things.
Hey, can you?
Oh, that was that slime.
Slime time! Alright, let's put this back in there.
Okay.
And put the cap on, and then we start.
So, I guess we should start from scratch. I'll go rinse this out.
Okay!
Let's...
Crunchy slime, crunchy slime, crunchy slime, crunchy slime. Oh, I wonder what this paint is for. And what is this paint for?
It's the color of the slime.
There's no red.
There. It says neon glow and scented.
God, it's
So
dark.
that must be how...
Oh my gosh.
Whoopsie daisies.
We made the slime wrong.
Now we know.
Yep, now we know that we did the
My
wrong.
hair's still sticky. It's got all that glue in it. Look, it's sticky.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so we need 15 milliliters of the white glue.
15 milliliters. 15 milliliters. 15.
15 is what? A 1 and a 5.
Yeah, I know. It's covered up. There it goes. There you go.
Okay,
Is that
so
15?
then you just go ahead and you scrape that with one of these little things.
Is that, where's the one that was, oh, there.
Scrape it on in there.
Get in there. Get in there, glue. I'm telling you, get in there, I'll spank your butt. So bad. Ew. Ew! It's like already slime.
Maybe because the activator was in that cup.
Yeah.
Oh dear. Okay. So then I need to pour 30 milliliters of water, which is the...
We're making slime.
really hard for Mama to see.
Oh, this is probably you probably scoop the glow in the dark paint up with this spoon.
Probably. Okay, and then, so if you want to do the crunchy, then we gotta cut this open.
Let's cut this open, and we gotta
So we'll put the slime that we've made in front here. So that's our, we think glow in the dark slime, but we're not really sure.
It's not, because that's the glow in
Is
the
that
dark.
the paint? Okay.
The paint is the glow in the dark.
Oh, and so that's what these little stickers are for.
What?
Oh, I wonder if that's what these things are. Do they smell? No, they don't smell. I remember there was a thing that said that they smell good. That smells like something. What does this smell like?
What? The pink?
Yeah.
I didn't smell it very good. Let me smell.
It might be the strawberry.
It smells good. Yeah, it might be the
See what the
strawberry.
yellow is kind of, I guess it would be a banana. Do you want to smell it?
Yeah. And it kind of smells like those things that are weird looking. Like,
Ooh. I like this one. Smell that one.
Blue?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it smells like
It's like a blueberry maybe?
no, raspberry. It's like raspberry.
Or cotton candy. I don't know, but it smells good. Smell that one.
Yeah.
How do guess the green one is just glows.
Just a green?
Yep.
Why? How do you know?
Because it says it over here on the
It says just the green glows? Probably. Oh, wait.
what?
Give me that stickers. So strawberry is pink
Uh-huh.
and
So we've got
blueberry is that and the purple is
the
grape, and then the banana is the yellow, and then every single that is all. So I cannot get this open right now.
Do you need me to help? These are little. These are like Barbie size. Or excuse me, action figure size. Barbies do you? I did.
I know.
I tried to give Parker some of my Barbies, and
I hate Barbie.
but you did take my Batman.
Yeah, because it was a boy toy.
I did like Batman.
That was a boy toy. Did you even cut this?
I'm
Give me those.
Be careful. Half of it is what it says.
That much?
Nope, a little more. A little more. Yeah, that's good. All right, let's try stirring that one up.
Okay. What about the activator?
We add that after.
Oh yeah. Let's mixing this up.
I think we can pour the activator, down into there while you're stirring. So you stir and I'll pour the activator in.
Oh, that's really easy.
Okay.
Any of that?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I'm gonna put gold.
Okay, just pour it on in there.
How do I take this cap off? It's impossible.
Here, do you want me to try?
Oh, got it. Oh, I'm gonna put a little bit.
Ooh, I like that one.
And now, ooh, I got some gold on me.
Woohoo. All right, stir it up.
Stir this gold up. Look at this gold slime. So this is crunchy gold.
This is the crunchy
All right.
gold slime.
Put some more of those sprinkles in there. Stir it all up. Stir it all up. Stir it all up. Stir it all up. I think it's done.
Is it done?
Yes.
All right. So here's another little cup that we can start
Ooh,
putting
whoa,
it in.
whoa, whoa. Look at it.
Just go ahead and
get it.
let's just dig in and grab that slime.
With the
Should I
hands.
use maybe the little
Yeah, let's use that.
thing?
Yeah, wait, let me dig it in there. Let me just. Oh! Oh! There's some glitter on the floor. I'll get that one. Ah! No!
Oh,
dog got the stuff. Alright, let's get this. Ooh, there's some slime right there. Ah! Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Is it coming out?
There's some with the beads. Where's the cup?
You can put it into this cup. It says we could just open up.
Oh! Oh!
It just splashed me in the face.
Look at all that slime!
Okay,
Oh, that's big slime.
here's more. Here's more.
Ew.
The crunchy slime.
Ew!
So I think we need to, the big thing is to what? We like knead it. I remember the girls telling us that.
Ew.
Oh dear.
Oh!
Oh,
My hand!
okay.
Full of some sprinkle litty kitty goo.
Ah! Oh,
What?
what you think?
Cool, cool as a boo. Cool, cool as a boo. Crunchy slime, crunchy slime, crunchy slime, crunchy slime.
That's pretty cool. How's it feel?
Slimy.
Slimy?
Oh, look at all that.
Oh yeah.
This looks disgusting. Look at it. It looks like galaxy stuff.
Like the green galaxy slime. So this should be the one that glows. We thought this one was gonna glow, but I think now we've figured out that it's actually, I think we did something wrong with the first one.
Oh!
That's a good one. That's a good slime, right? Because it stretches. This doesn't stretch. It just kind of pops. Okay, so what other kind of slime do we want to make?
Galaxy!
Galaxy. Okay, so galaxy slime looks like this one's a little bit harder for us to make because we're kind of new to the whole slime world, but we're going to give it a whirl. What you think? So we need some clear glue. We need 15 milliliters of the clear glue.
That's every single thing. We have to put that much.
Yeah, 15
Oh, yeah.
milliliters of the clear glue.
It's stuck. It's stuck in. Everything is literally like that. Glue stuff. Everything is like that.
Kind of made a mess on the table.
Us, yeah.
Okay.
Never make the mess, clean it up.
Ooh, yeah, that's what Mama says. Okay, so 15 milliliters of clear
I can't see that thing.
glue.
I don't see 15. Is that 15?
It's hard to see on this thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, you know why? Because the glue was covering it up. Oh, of course.
Where?
Let's see. Oh, it's slimy, gooey. Okay,
Oh,
right there. That's the 15.
There.
Perfect.
There
So
we
let's
go.
pour that into our
It's
little.
sticky, so we need to use this thing again.
Yep.
Crazy, that's smart. Oh gosh, that always happens. Get in there. So what does the galaxy slime look like?
Like the galaxy.
So you have to put every single...
Okay, so now we
color.
need some water. Here, you want me to put the water in? So we need about 20.
Can I put it out?
Yep, 25 milliliters of the water. So let's add that in. And we need 1 spoonful of the blue color. So I guess that would be this
One
one.
spoonful.
Yep, so just get a spoonful of that and pour it into our little mixer.
Oh, that's a spoonful right there. Look at that.
That's a good spoonful. And then it says to put half the vial.
Half of it.
Half of it.
So that means right there.
That means like
Here.
yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Am I done?
Perfect. And then also you need half of the purple.
Half of it.
You need,
Oh!
come on, muscles. I know you got them.
Ouch!
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Okay.
I cannot do this thing.
Ooh. So half of the purple. And what else? Place the crank top back on the mixer, twist until sealed, and then slowly turn the crank.
So I have to spin around until it's seal like that.
Yeah, just keep on ooh, it's looking really cool already. Love it.
Oh!
Look at that. Okay.
Now I stir really carefully. Now I stir really slow.
Just take it nice. And now we need to add, we haven't added the activator yet, right?
Yeah.
So we need about 5 milliliters of
5
the
milliliters.
activator.
Okay. Oh, this is the one. It's right there.
This
No,
one?
oh, that's. I keep on forgetting. 5 milliliters. Where's 5 milliliters?
5. So you're just looking for that number 5 on that cup.
Right there.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Okay. Is that it? That's it. Oh, that's a little much. So we actually only need about, Parker poured it to about 15. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour just a little bit. Just only a little because we only needed 5 milliliters of that. Okay, that's good.
Sure.
Now you're gonna stir it again.
Oh, really fast?
Sure.
I'm just gonna slow. Do I put any color in?
No, it actually just says that if you want to sprinkle on a little bit of gold at the end, then we can do that.
Yeah, we'll do that then.
But we're supposed to wait until it's really all mixed in together.
All like that.
Yeah.
Let's do this then. So, is that finished?
Yeah. Oh, whoopsie daisies. Okay. So
I
think he's going slime wild.
Let's go crazy.
So I guess
Put that stuff in there.
is the
I want to put one of those in there.
this is the galaxy slime. So we're just gonna try to
Take this. Let me have it.
okay. There's like a lot of liquid. I need some help in the comments. You gotta help Harper and I because we don't know what we're doing.
I know what I'm doing.
You do?
Yes.
Okay.
Making slime.
So we're supposed to have some of this liquid with it, and it was supposed to dissolve, I think. So maybe we're supposed to keep adding it to that slime.
Oh.
So here, you take that out of my hand. And then you're supposed to just kind of knead it together. That's what they say. right? All the slime experts out there.
I'm a slime expert.
You are?
Mm-hmm. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh my. Here's some more. Does that look like galaxy slime to you?
A little bit. It has some beads in it.
It does.
Yeah.
Maybe they were left over from our crunchy slime.
Which was last time.
Mm.
What's the bead?
Mess.
Yeah. We're gonna make an even bigger one. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Just a tiny bit. No!
Oh,
That's way too much.
Sorry.
It went flying across the room. We'll get it later.
Okay.
Okay, so
Oh, it's up.
go ahead and mix that up, and then we
With
should have
that?
the end of our galaxy slime. Just
No.
just use your fingers or the popsicle stick.
Or that. I use the spoon. The spoon did more things and more stirring. Sorry for adding too much. It just did it by itself.
Glitter for days.
Glitter for days, yeah. Glitter for days.
I mean, that looks like a galaxy to me.
Yeah, gold.
Pretty cool. All right, let's check it out so everyone out there can see your
Alright.
galaxy glitter.
This is what my galaxy slime looks like.
It's pretty cool. Which one's your favorite? The galaxy, the neon, or the first one that we did?
Leave the comments down below which one you like the best.
Which one do you like? Whoa.
I like the galaxy.
Of course. Alright, how's your slime up?
Let's see who can stretch the farthest.
I don't know. I might stretch harder.
Oh, mine's stretching the farthest so much.
It's gonna fall. Alright, Parker, so what did you think? Did you like the Nickelodeon slime scented glitter slime studio?
I love it! Yes.
Do you think all your friends out there should get it too? Yeah?
Yeah.
I think it was pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot of fun stuff. There's a lot of glitter, a lot of smelly paint, a lot of mess for all the moms out there, but we had a good time, right?
Mm-hmm.
Which slime was your favorite? The galaxy? I'm loving this crunchy slime. I don't know why, but I like it. So make sure you subscribe, right, Parker? Because we're gonna have a lot of fun videos coming up.
Yeah, like Beyblades and Soggy Doggy and Hot Wheels
Hot Wheels.
and Crown something.
Oh, he wants me to play this weird crown game where it's like
It's a
you
crown.
have to eat the food off the crown. Like, I don't know.
It spins around and it spins around and there's music.
It's pretty cool. All right. Well,
And then you have
I
to
think
try
that's
to-
all for tonight, huh?
No.
We gotta clean up this mess.
Mm.
Yep. Parker's gotta clean up this mess. So we'll catch y'all later.
By myself?
Yep.
No! Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Ew! You get favorite!